In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a print area in Google Sheets in just 5 minutes. Whether you are preparing a report, organizing data for a presentation, or just want a hard copy of specific cells, this process will ensure you print exactly what you need without unnecessary information clogging the printout. Let's begin by making sure you have your Google Sheet open. If it's not already open, navigate to the desired Google Sheet that contains the data you intend to print. Once there, you'll want to head to the part of the spreadsheet that holds the data you want to focus on. Now, take your mouse and click on the first cell of the area you wish to print. While holding down the mouse button, drag it over the range of cells you're interested in. You should see these cells highlighted, indicating they've been successfully selected. Next, it's time to get that print menu open. You can do this in a few ways. Locate and click on the printer icon located in the toolbar, or simply go to File and then choose Print from the drop-down menu. For those of you who prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can use Ctrl+P on a Windows computer, or CMD+P if you're using a Mac. This will open the Print Setup window, which will be crucial for the next steps. Now that you're in the Print Settings menu, look to the right side of the window where you'll find the Settings panel. Here, you'll see a drop-down menu right next to the word Print. Click this menu to open your print options. Since we're interested in printing only the cells we've selected, you'll want to choose Selected Cells from the drop-down. This ensures you're not printing other areas of the sheet by mistake. Once you have that sorted, take a moment to fine-tune other print settings according to your needs. The right sidebar allows you to adjust several options, such as paper size, orientation, and margins. These settings can help you better fit your data onto the page in a clear and readable way. It's often useful to preview your choices to see how everything looks on the page before finalizing the print. When you're satisfied with the setup, go ahead and click the Next button. You'll then be asked to choose a printer for the job. If you're not ready to print immediately or prefer a digital copy, you can select Save as PDF to create a PDF file of your chosen data range. And there you have it, a customized, streamlined printing process in Google Sheets. By following these steps, you ensure that your prints are neat, tailored, and efficient. Thanks for tuning in, and happy printing!